Have you ever wondered what Bitcoin actually is? People talk about it all the time. Digital money, investing, price going up and down. But very few people actually explain it in a simple way that makes sense. In this video, I'm going to break Bitcoin down step by step in the easiest way possible. No complicated terms, no technical language, just a clear explanation. By the end, you'll understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it matters.
Wait, so it's just internet money?
Yes, but it's a very special type of internet money. Let's start from the beginning. Before Bitcoin, we need to understand something important: what money actually is. Money is not just paper or numbers in a bank account. Money is a system that helps people exchange value. When you work, you trade time for money. When you buy something, you trade money for goods or services. But here's the key point. Most money today is controlled by banks and governments. They decide how money moves, how it is stored, and how transactions are processed.
So basically, banks control everything.
In the traditional system, yes, banks play a central role in almost every transaction. And that's exactly what Bitcoin tries to change. Bitcoin is a digital currency created in 2009 by a person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Its main idea is simple: allow people to send money directly to each other without needing a bank in the middle. Instead of a central authority controlling everything, Bitcoin runs on a global network of computers. These computers work together to verify transactions and keep the system running. There is no company behind Bitcoin, no headquarters, and no CEO. It is fully decentralized.
No banks at all? That sounds risky.
It might sound risky at first, but the system is designed to secure itself through technology rather than trust in a single institution. To understand Bitcoin, you need to understand one key idea: the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a public digital notebook. Every transaction made with Bitcoin is written into this notebook. But here's the important part. This notebook is not stored in one place. Instead, it is copied and shared across thousands of computers around the world. So everyone has the same record.
So everyone can see everything?
Exactly. The system is transparent. When a new transaction happens, all the computers check it and agree that it is valid. Once it is added to the blockchain, it cannot be changed or deleted. This is what makes Bitcoin secure. Now let's talk about Bitcoin mining. Mining is not about digging or physical coins. It is a process where computers solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are used to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. When a computer successfully solves one of these problems, it gets rewarded with new Bitcoin. This is how new Bitcoin enters the system.
So computers are basically competing to earn Bitcoin.
Yes, exactly. And this competition also helps keep the network secure. People use Bitcoin for several reasons. Some use it as a store of value, similar to digital gold. Others use it to send money internationally without banks or high fees. And some people simply believe in the idea of financial freedom. Bitcoin can be used anywhere in the world, as long as you have internet access.
So anyone can use it, even without a bank account?
Yes, that's one of its biggest advantages. But Bitcoin is not perfect. Its price can go up and down very quickly, sometimes in a short amount of time. It is also not accepted everywhere yet, and it requires understanding before using it safely. So while Bitcoin has benefits, it also comes with risks.
So it's not something you should just jump into blindly.
Exactly. Like anything in finance, learning first is very important. The future of Bitcoin is still uncertain. Some believe it could become a global digital currency. Others think it will remain more like digital gold. But one thing is clear: Bitcoin has already changed how people think about money.
So it's kind of a big deal then.
Yes, it is one of the most important financial technologies of our time. If you enjoyed this explanation, I can break down more crypto topics in the same simple way. Comment down below if you're interested in learning something new, and subscribe to Chainlex, and leave a like if you enjoyed our video.